Assalamualaikum. Our today's topic is money management. Money management is about how to deal with money while doing any business or any kind of trade. Basically, we'll be interested in maximizing the profit that is done by using the profit formula that is given by that is the difference of sale price minus cost price, provided that the sale price is higher than the cost price. However, if the sale price is lower than the cost price, then we'll not have profit, rather we'll have loss. And that loss value is found out by having the difference of cost price and selling price. So there are some terms which are used in this money management. Cost price, that is the price which a person at which a person purchases a product, while selling price is the price at which a person sells a product. Market price is the price that is marked on an article and commodity. It is also known as the list price or tag price. Sometimes it is different from the purchase price because the cost price is the price at the time of purchase, while market price is the price that is at the price at which that product is being sold in the market. Mark is the amount by which the cost price is increased to reach the market price. So markup is the difference of market price and cost price. Discount is the reduction offered by the merchant on a market price, that is because sometimes to sell the product, sometimes to sell the product, merchants offer make some offer like 10% discount or 20% discount, etc. There are some formula which we'll use in this topic. And these formulae are called profit loss formulae. First one is profit or gain. It means that the selling price of an object must be greater than its cost price, because we'll have profit only if the sale price is greater than the cost price. So this is found out by taking the difference of sale price and cost price. Loss is if the cost price is greater and the sale price is smaller, then we'll have loss. Selling price is the price for which commodity is sold, and this is found out by 100 plus profit percentage divided by 100 multiplied by cost price. Or you can simply, in case of loss, you will simply write it as 100 minus loss percentage over 100 multiplied by the cost price. Next one is cost price. The expense at which the object is bought is called cost price, and we briefly write it as CP. CP is found out by the by this formula of sale price. Simply simplify it for cost price. Next thing is discount. We normally offer discount in terms of percentage. Discount is normally market price minus sale price, or mark price minus sale price. We normally offer, like I just said, that we normally offer discount in percentage. So profit, there are two kinds of percentages: profit percentage and loss percentage. Sometimes we have some gain percentage that we'll discuss after discussing formula for profit and loss. Profit percentage is simply the percentage of profit. Similarly, loss percentage is simply the percentage of loss, while discount percentage is the percentage of the discount. That is simply discount over market price multiplied by 100. Markup is the addition in the discount in the market price, and that is equal to markup over cost price multiplied by 100. We have something to note, like I just said, that we have another percentage, that is gain percentage. Gain percentage is simply error mean difference between cost price and sale price in case of loss, or difference between sale price and cost price in case of profit. So this is simply the error. We call this difference as error over true value minus error multiplied by 100. So whenever we need to find the percentage, we'll multiply the value by 100. So these are the basic formulae that we'll be using in while solving the problems. In order to solve the problems, we'll do the questions one by one. Let's start from question 1. So question 1 is, mark price of a cricket bat is 1,000 rupees and its sold price is 100 rupees. Find the discount percentage. So mark price is 1,000 rupees and it is sold at 100 price. We need to find the discount percentage. So the discount percentage is simply, we can see the formula for discount percentage. That formula is, you can see this, discount over market price multiplied by 100. So discount, you can see the discount is simply the difference. Discount is equal to 1,000 minus 800, that is 200 rupees. So discount percentage is equal to discount over mark price divided multiplied by 100. So discount is 200 rupees, mark price is 1,000, and percentage will multiply it by 100. Now if you simplify it, you will see that your discount is of 20%. Okay, so it's all for this question. So next question is, mark price of a product is 240 rupees and 25% discount is provided on it. Find the selling price. Now this question is a bit different. You have to find the selling price while a mark price is given to you. So for this, we'll use this selling price formula. For profit percentage, now we are given discount percentage, not profit percentage. So we need to find 25% of this. Mark price, your discount is 25% of the mark price, that is 240 rupees. So this is equal to 25 by 100. 25 by 100 multiplied by 240. If you simplify it, you will get 5 and 2, and you have this as 12. 12 5s are 60 rupees discount. So selling price is simply the difference of mark price and discount. If you subtract discount from the mark price, you will get the selling price, that is 240 minus 60 equal 180 rupees. So that's it. So it was all from question 2. Next question is question 3. A t-shirt sold after providing 2 successive discounts of 20%. If the mark price of the t-shirt is 200 rupees, then find the selling price. So we are offering 2 successive discount, 20% first, and then the 20 further discount of 20% at the discounted price. So first discount is equal to 20% of the sale mark price, that is 200 rupees. So it is 20 by 100 multiplied by 200 equal 40 rupees. So remaining amount after first discount, remaining amount after first discount is equal to 200 minus 40, that is 160 rupees. Okay. Now second discount. Second discount is equal to 20% of the remaining amount, that is of 160. This is equal to 20 by 100 of 160. So if you simplify it, you will get it as 32 rupees. So final selling price is, hence selling price is equal to difference 160 minus 32 rupees. If you subtract it, you will have 128 rupees. That is the final price. So that is the answer. So I hope that this question is clear to you, because since you were given 2 successive discounts, so you have offered 2 successive discounts on the mark price. Next question is, sorry. A man gains 30% by selling an article for a certain price. What is the profit percentage? So you are given the gain, you need to find the profit percentage. Let's suppose that let's suppose that the cost price of the article is X rupees. Then selling price, since gain is 30%, selling price will be with a profit of 30%. So it is, sorry, 1 plus 30% of X. So this is equal to 1 plus 30 by 100 of X is equal to 1 plus 0.3 of X, that is equal to 1.3 times X. So profit percentage is, you need to find the profit percentage, right? So profit percentage is equal to selling price minus cost price over selling price minus cost price over cost price multiplied by 100. Since we need to find the percentage, selling price is 1.3 times X. Cost price, we have assumed that cost price is X. So this is equal to X divided by cost price, that is X multiplied by 100. After simplification, you will have it as 0.3%, 0.3 times X multiplied by 100. X is cancelled with X, and if you multiply 0.3 with 100, you will have 30% in the answer. So profit percentage is 30%. That's the answer. So it means that the profit percentage is exactly the same as the gain percentage. Next question 5. If A bought an article on rupees 200 and sold it to B at the 20% profit. Again, B sold the article at 10% profit to C. Find the amount paid by C. So you can see the style of trade, that first person bought an article and sold it to a second person at a certain profit, and the second person sold it to the third person at a certain profit margin. So in both A and B had a profit from this purchase. Let's see how much C paid. First find the, so A bought the article to B. So we have A sold the article to B in rupees. We need to find the value in rupees in RS. That is equal to 200 is 1 plus, because since he got profit, we can write it as 1 plus 20% of 200. So this is equal to 1 plus 20 by 100 multiplied by 200 is equal to 120 by 100 multiplied by 200. If you simplify it, it will be 240 rupees. Okay, so this is the price at which B bought the article. So now B has to sell it to, now sell price for B is 240 rupees. Sorry, this is the cost price of B. This is the cost price of B. The cost price of B is 240 rupees. So B sold the article to C at 10% profit, right? 10% profit. That is in amount. So amount obtained by, so purchase sale price for, so sale price for B is 1 plus 10% of the amount of its cost price, that is 240 of 240. This is equal to 1 plus 10 by 100 multiplied by 240. That is equal to 110 by 100 multiplied by 240. So if you simplify it, you will have it as 11 fours are 44 and 11 twos are 22 plus 24 is 264. So the sale price for B is 264. So we need to find the price. Hence the amount paid by C is, hence the amount paid by C is 240 rupees, 264 rupees. That's the answer. Okay, I hope that this is clear to you. Next question 6. A man sold 2 bicycles at the same selling price. One at 20% loss and the other at 20% profit. Find the overall profit and loss percentage. So 2 bicycles are sold at the same selling price. We are not given the purchase price, but we are given the we need to find the profit and loss percentage, overall profit and loss percentage. Okay, let's start it. Let X be the selling price of the bicycles. Then for the first bike, for first bicycle, selling at 20% loss is equal to 1 minus 20% of the cost price of, let's say we call it as cost price 1. So it will be selling price is x, so it is x minus 1 minus x is equal to 1 minus 20 by 100 multiplied by cost price 1. So this is equal to 80 by 100 into cost price 1. So from here we have cost price 1 is equal to 100 x by 80. That is, after simplification, it will be equal to 5 by 4 times x. Similarly, for the second bicycle, for second bicycle selling at 20% profit. Selling price is equal to 1 plus 20% of cost price. Let's call it cost price 2. So it is equal to 1 plus 20 by 100 multiplied by cost price 2. This is equal to 120 by 100 of the cost price 2. So from here, second cost price 2 is equal to selling price is x, is equal to 100 by 120x. If you simplify it, it will become 5 by 6 times x. Now adding both these cost price, so total cost price of both bicycles is equal to, CP cost price is equal to CP1 plus CP2. That is 5 by, x by 4 plus 5 x by 6. If you add them and simplify it, then it will become, LCM will be 12, and if you add, then it will be 25 by 12x. Now total sale price is both bicycles are sold in x rupees, so it is equal to x plus x, that is equal to 2 times x. Now you can see that it is 2 times x and this is greater than 2, so we have a loss. So since cost price is greater than sale price, there is a loss, and loss percentage is equal to, since cost price is higher than loss, using the formula of loss percentage, that formula is this one, formula for loss percentage, that cost price minus sale price over cost price. So what our loss is, there is a loss equal to, the loss value is equal to cost price minus sale price. If you take difference of these two, this will be 25 by 12x minus 2x. If you take their LCM, you will have this equal to 1 by 12x. So now this is cost price minus sale price over your cost price multiplied by 100. So your loss percentage is equal to cost price minus sale price over cost price. Now cost price minus sale price is 1 by 12x over 25 by 12x multiplied by 100. If you simplify it, x by 12 will get cancelled and you will be left with 1 by 25 multiplied by 100, and this is equal to 4 times 4%. So the answer is 4%. It's the answer for this question, and I hope that this question, the whole solution is clear to you. Next, question 7. So question 7 is, if the cost price of 5 oranges is equal to, if the cost price of 5 oranges is equal to the sale price of 4 oranges, then find the profit percentage. Cost price of 5 oranges is equal to sale price of 4 oranges. So if we take so let the cost price of 1 orange is equal to X rupees. Then cost price of 5 oranges is 5x, and you are given that cost price of 5 oranges is equal to sale price of 4 oranges. Sale price of 4 oranges is equal to of, now you can see that cost price of 5 oranges is equal to sale price of 4 oranges. It means that you have the profit over here. If you take sale price is equal to y, then you will have, let's suppose the sale price first. If sale price of 1 orange is equal to rupees y, then sale price of 4 oranges is equal to 4y. So according to the given condition, 4y. According to the given condition, we have 5x is equal to 4y. You have to find the profit percentage. So from here, we have a profit at each orange is, from here we have y is equal to 5 by 4x. So profit at 1 orange. Profit for 1 orange is equal to x minus y. If you write the value of x over here, our sale price, cost price is smaller than sale price, so we have sale price minus cost price. This is equal to y minus x. Simply substitute the value of y, that is 5 by 4 x minus x. If you take its LCM, it will become, you take 5x common, 5 by 4 minus 1 times x. And if you take the LCM, it will become 1 by 4 times x. So this is the profit at 1 orange, and now you simply have to find the profit percentage. Profit percentage is equal to profit over cost price multiplied by 100. Substituting the values, 1 by 4x over x multiplied by 100. X will get cancelled with x, and you will be left with 1 by 4 multiplied by 100. This is equal to 25%. So you have 25% profit in this case. Next question. 10 pens cost rupees 100 each. If half of the pens are sold at 10% loss, what price of the remaining each pen should be sold for making no profit, no loss statement? So 10 pens each sold at rupees 100. So cost of 10 pence is equal to 10 multiplied by 100 is equal to 1000 rupees, right? So cost of half pence, half of the pence. Half pence is equal to 5. So 5 pence are sold at 10% loss. So 5% pence are sold at 10% loss. So it is equal to cost of 5 pence. Half pence are 5 and cost of 5 pence. Cost of 5 pence is simply 5 multiplied by 100 equal to 500. So 10% loss means you have sold, your loss will be 10% of 500. That is 10 by 100 multiplied by 5. 500 is equal to 50 rupees. So 10% loss in 10 pence is 50 rupees. It means that sale price of first 5 pence is 450 rupees. Remaining amount is remaining amount is 1000 minus 450 is equal to 550 rupees. So sale price of remaining 5 pence must be 550 rupees, and sale price of remaining 1 pen is 550 divided by 5 is equal to 110 rupees. So I think this was the question, that find the at what price the remaining pens should be sold for making no profit, no loss table. So remaining pens, hence remaining 5 pence should be sold in rupees 110 each to get no profit, no loss statement. Next question 9. Goods are purchased for rupees 1500. If 1/5 of the goods are sold at the profit of 5% and the remaining 4/5 of the goods are at the profit of 10%, find the net percentage. So first 1/5 are sold at the profit of 5%. So total cost price is 1500. 1/5 of the is 1/5 of this 1 by 5 of cost price is equal to 1 by 5 multiplied by 1500 is 300. So 300 sale price for 1/5 of goods is equal to 5% profit, mean 1 plus 5% of 300. This is equal to 1 plus 5 by 100 of 1 plus 5 by 100 multiplied by 300. This will be 105 by 100 multiplied by 300. This is equal to what? 13 is equal to 315 rupees. So sale price of 1/5 of the goods is this, and we need to find 1/5 of the goods are sold at the profit of 5% and remaining 4/5 at the profit of 10%. Find the net percentage. Net percentage, so 315 is the sale price of 1/5 of the goods. Remaining 4/5 of goods sale price, their cost price is 1500 minus 300 equal to 1200. So sale price of remaining 4/5 of the goods is equal to 1 plus 10% of 1200. This will be 1 plus 10 by 100. 1 plus 10 by 100 of 1200. After simplification, you will have 110 by 100 of 1200. That is 12 ones are 12, and you are left with this 1320 rupees. So total sale price is equal to 350 plus 1320 rupees is equal to 1635 rupees. So profit percentage, we need to find the profit percentage, net profit percentage. Net profit percentage is equal to profit is 1635 minus sale price, that is 1500. Cost price is 1500 divided by cost price, that is 1500 multiplied by 100. If you simplify it, it will be 135 by 1500 multiplied by 100, and this will be 90%. And this will be, sorry, not 90%, it will be, if you get simplify it, it will be 9%. So this is the answer. So net profit percentage is 9%. Next, a trader bought a product for rupees 2000. If he marks his good for 20% above the cost price and give a discount of 10% for cash, find the profit percentage. So your cost price is 2000 rupees, and mark price is you have increased 20%. Mark price is 1 plus 20% of 2000. This is equal to 1 plus 20 by 100 of 2000 is equal to 120 by 100 of 2000. If you simplify it, you will have this to be 2400, right? So this is the mark price, and now discount price is you have given the discount of 10%. So discount is we just have to find the discount first. Discount is equal to 10% of 2400. That is equal to 10 by 100 multiplied by 2400. That is equal to 240 rupees. So remaining amount, sale price becomes 2400 minus 240 rupees is equal to 2160 rupees. Profit is sale price minus cost price. that is equal to 2160 rupees minus 2000 is equal to 160 rupees. So profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100. So this is equal to profit is 160, cost price is 2000 multiplied by 100. This will give you, if you cancel this 0 with 0, you have 8% of profit percentage. So profit percentage is 8%. Now the last question of the exercise. A person wants to get a 20% profit after selling his object at 20% discount. Find the required percentage increase in the marked price. Let's suppose that now, since we have 20% profit at the 20% discount, so we can assume that let the cost price of the object, let the cost price is equal to 100 rupees. Then for 20% profit, we must have for 20% profit, sale price must be 20% of this 1 plus 20% of 100. That is 1 plus 20 by 100 of 100. That is equal to 120 by 100 of 100. That is equal to 120 rupees. So profit per, so your sale price must be 120 rupees. Now we need to find the percentage increase in the mark price to get this percentage, and so that your product is sold at 20% discount. So your mark price will be so now if the mark price is this, then since you are selling the product at 20% discount, so if the mark price is 1 minus 20% of the mark price, it means that sale price 120 is equal to 1 minus 20 by 100 of the mark price. So this is equal to 80 by 100 of the mark price. It means that mark price is equal to, so mark price is equal to 120 multiplied by 100 divided by 80, and this is 150 rupees. So your mark price is 150 rupees. So that's the answer. So it completes the proof, and it's all from this exercise of money management. So it's all from today's lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.